Hi, neighbor.
Hi, you must be the new guy in town that everyone is talking about.
Sure am.
My name is Ed Flanders. Welcome to Pleasanton.
Hi. Oh, I hate when I do that.
You do that often.
Only since I started building my house. Everybody wants to shake my hand when I'm carrying lumber.
This is a very friendly town. Let's start again. My name is Ed Flanders.
Now that was nearly stupid.
Listen, let's just dispense with the handshaking.
Good idea. My name is Fred Nilman. So, everybody is talking about me, huh?
They sure are.
What are they saying about me? Are they saying what a fast worker I am?
Well, actually,
I'm sure everybody noticed that I started building my house when you were halfway through building yours. And I'm going to finish my house first.
Some of them did mention that you were hurrying.
I knew it. I'm a good builder.
Well, actually,
See, part of the strategy to building a house quickly is choosing the right land to build on.
yes, I noticed that you're building your house in Thunder Acres.
You know, that's an odd name for a real estate development, but the land was real cheap.
Yes, that was one of the things the townspeople mentioned. You're building your house on sand.
Easy as pie to level the ground when the soil is all sand.
Yes, but
See, you, on the other hand, chose to build up on the hill there.
yes,
Bad choice.
how so?
Well, it's solid rock up there. You can't level your land at all. You have to do a whole lot more construction if you build on solid rock.
Yes, I do, but
I suppose you built up on the hill so you could have a nice view of the valley from your front window.
well, actually, no I didn't.
See, there's another mistake.
A mistake.
Because the land is so cheap down here in the valley, I could buy 3 acres for the cost of just 1 acre up on the rocky old hill. To me, the view is just not worth the extra cost.
But I didn't buy the lot for the view.
You didn't.
No, I bought it for the foundation.
The foundation.
Yes, building a house on solid rock means the house won't suffer any damage from wind or rain, or flood.
A lot you know. See, I figure that with all the lumber I used on the floors and the walls and the ceilings and the roof, my house will be too heavy to be blown around by the wind and the rain.
But not the flood.
The flood. Now, that's the second time you said the word flood.
Yes, you see, this area has really severe rainstorms. If a house is not built on a foundation of solid rock, the wind and rain will virtually destroy it.
See, that's where you're wrong. When I build a house, it stays built.
And how many houses have you built?
Actually, this is the first house I ever built.
Obviously.
Obviously? What do you mean obviously?
You asked me what the townspeople were saying about you.
Yes.
They said that you were foolish.
Foolish.
Well, actually, some of them said you were stupid.
Stupid.
Yes, anybody with any building experience at all knows that even the sturdiest house will fall apart sooner or later if it has a foundation on sand.
Well, I'm not going to live in my house forever, you know.
Actually, you may not get a chance to live in your house at all.
What do you mean?
There's a storm coming.
Yep, so there's storm coming. So what? My roof is completely finished. I'm just building on the inside of my house.
I'm afraid your roof won't help you now.
What do you mean?
Did you ever wonder where your real estate development got its name?
Thunder Acres. Yes, where did the name come from?
Your house is not only built on sand, but it's built smack dab in the middle of a dry wash.
A dry wash? What's a dry wash?
During the rainstorms, Thunder Acres turns into the Thunder River.
Oh, no, what's that shadow coming down the canyon there?
That's not a shadow. That's a wall of water.
Thunder River.
Thunder River.
And it's headed right toward my brand new house.
You'd better head for shelter.
Well, I'm not going into my house. It's built on sand. Hey, can I go to your house?
Based on a play by Bob Snook, Conditions for Use. Do not sell any part of this script, even if you rewrite it. Pay no royalties, even if you make money from the performance. You may reproduce and distribute this freely, but all copies must contain this statement.